Google just changed 3 things in the same week, and 2 of them are free tools your competitors do not know exist yet. One of them lets you produce professional video content without ever being on camera. The other one rewrites how every local business in your market gets found online. I'm going to walk you through both, show you exactly which services you can sell right now, and at the very end, I'm going to give you the one setup move inside Gemini Omni that most people completely miss on their first session. It's the difference between content that looks AI generated and content that actually passes. You're going to want to stay for that. Hey, Paul James here. If you're new, this channel is about building real service income using free AI tools. No fluff, no hype, just what works. And real quick, I just launched something called AI Money Garden. It's a course I built to show you exactly how I use free AI tools like this one to generate service income as a solo operator. Right now, it's on sale for $21. Not a typo. It normally runs $197. The link is in the description and this price won't last. Grab it while it's there. Here's the thing almost nobody is saying out loud about Google I/O 2026. The headlines were all benchmarks and faster models. That stuff matters. But buried underneath the keynote were 2 announcements that directly change how you make money as a solo operator this summer. The first is Google Gemini Omni, a new video model with a built-in AI avatar feature that is genuinely better than tools people are paying $150 a month to use right now. The second is something called Agent Payments Protocol, AP2, which is the infrastructure Google just laid down for AI agents to complete purchases on behalf of human buyers. Taken together, these 2 things open a specific window for solo operators who move in the next 60 days. And honestly, there's a reason you won't hear about this from most of the people teaching agency courses right now. The tools they keep pushing are the ones with the biggest affiliate payouts. That's worth knowing before you spend anything. I was working out of my brother's garage when I started building this. No budget, no clients, no software. $150 monthly subscription before the first invoice was not something I could absorb. That's why I built on free, and Google just made free a whole lot more powerful. Here's what I'm calling the Invisible Buyer Protocol, a 2-part system built entirely on Google's free stack that positions you to capture service income from both sides of this shift, the content side and the discovery side. Let's go through it. Start with Google Gemini Omni. This is Google's new multimodal video model, and it ships with an AI avatar feature that is, look, I did not expect it to be this good. You give it a script, it generates a spokesperson avatar that looks and sounds real. We're talking synchronized lip movement, natural gestures, clean audio. The kind of output that used to require a platform subscription, a green screen setup, and a dedicated afternoon. Now it runs inside Gemini, which you already have access to on the free tier for short clips, and the longer output unlocks at Google AI Ultra, which at $200 a month is still less than what most avatar platforms charge solo operators who need commercial rights baked in. To set it up, go into Google AI Studio, select the Omni model, and feed it your avatar prompt. Full face visibility, upper body framing, clean contrast behind the subject. Keep your first script under 2 minutes. The model reads tone, punchy script, punchy delivery, conversational script, conversational output. That responsiveness is what separates Omni from the static avatar tools most people are still paying for. Here's what that actually looks like for someone offering SEO content strategy to local businesses. 1 session inside Gemini Omni. You record a 30-second explainer video for a dental practice. Branded, spokesperson-led, positioned for their Google business profile. No camera, no editing software, no outsourced video team. That deliverable used to require either a studio setup or a platform subscription costing more per month than most beginners charge for their first client. With Gemini Omni, it costs nothing to produce. That is a $250 add-on built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Most people take that output and post it raw. That's where the quality gap shows up. There is one configuration step that makes the difference between an avatar video that looks real and one that looks like a demo reel. I'll get to it. But first, let me show you the second piece of this. The other announcement that matters is Google's Agent Payments Protocol. Google has built the financial infrastructure for AI agents to shop, compare, and complete purchases on behalf of your customers, without the customer opening a browser, rolling out in the United States this summer. What that means for local businesses: the buyer who used to find them through a Google search, click their website, and make a decision. That buyer is increasingly being replaced by an AI agent doing all of that in seconds. Businesses not structured for agent-readable discovery are about to get invisible. Most of them have no idea. That is a service gap you can walk into right now. Actually, let me back up for a second. The reason this matters to you specifically isn't just about being an early adopter. It's about the fact that local businesses are going to start noticing traffic problems in the next 60 to 90 days, and they won't know why. They'll need someone to explain it and fix it. That someone can be you. Now here's where this gets actually useful for someone running a real service business. Service Angle 1, SEO Content Strategy. Google's latest core search update, which rolled out the same week as I/O, made organic rankings more volatile than they've been in a decade. Recovery can take months. Local businesses that built their entire lead flow on organic traffic just had the floor move under them. You come in with a fresh content strategy built around structured, agent-readable content using Google's own AI tools. You're not just writing blog posts, you're restructuring their online presence so an AI agent looking for a dentist, a chiropractor, or an HVAC company surfaces them as the obvious answer. Audit and strategy document, $300 to $500. Monthly retainer for implementation starts at $400. The tools cost nothing. Service Angle 2, Social Media Content Creation. Gemini Omni changes this completely. A plumber, a real estate agent, a gym owner, they all need video, and none of them want to be on camera every week. You solve that with Gemini Omni. Build them a custom AI spokesperson, script the content, deliver 10 videos a month. That's a $400 to $600 a month retainer. The subscription stack you used to need for this, avatar platform, video editor, script tool, runs north of $200 a month before you've invoiced anyone. With Gemini Omni, you run the same deliverable for free. Service Angle 3, web design with agent-readable structure. As AP2 rolls out and AI agents start doing the buying, businesses need their sites structured, so an agent reads them clearly in seconds. Clean service descriptions, structured data, unambiguous calls to action. That's a web design conversation most agencies haven't started having yet. You get ahead of it now, you own it in your market. Project rate starts at $1,000, monthly maintenance another $200. For most of it, you're working in tools that cost nothing. And listen, if you haven't checked out AI Money Garden yet, now's the time. It's $21 right now, down from $197. Link is in the description. This is the exact system I use to turn free tools into paying clients. Don't sit on it. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's a quick story to make this concrete. Picture a solo freelancer. Maybe just started, maybe been at it for 6 months with inconsistent clients. She reads about Google I/O, sees the Gemini Omni announcement, spends one afternoon testing it. The next week, she reaches out to 3 local businesses in her area, all of them running outdated websites, no video presence, and dropping in their Google rankings after the core update. She offers a 90-day package, new structured landing page, 10 Omni-generated spokesperson videos, and an SEO content calendar. She prices it at $800 upfront and $350 a month to maintain. 2 of the 3 say yes. That's $1,600 to start and $700 a month recurring from tools she didn't pay a subscription to use. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. The one setup move inside Gemini Omni that most people miss. Here it is. When you submit your avatar prompt in AI Studio, add a lighting and framing specification in the system context before the script. Something like upper body frame, neutral background with soft directional light from the left, maintain consistent eyeline. That context instruction locks the visual style across multiple generations. Without it, each clip looks slightly different brightness, different framing, and the content looks stitched together when you edit it. With it, you get a consistent visual identity across every piece of content you produce for that client. That's what makes it look like a real brand shoot, not a free tool. That's the move. Imagine what the next 30 days look like once you have this running. A Gemini Omni avatar template built for your first client. Their SEO content calendar live. Their website structured for agent-readable discovery before most competitors even know AP2 exists. You're the one person in your market who understood what Google I/O 2026 actually meant. And you moved on it. The window is open right now. It won't stay open forever. For the next 60 to 90 days, being the solo operator who shows up with this conversation is an unfair advantage. Go use it. If any of this clicked for you, and I mean any of it, AI Money Garden is where you take it further. $21 right now, $197 after the sale ends. Everything you need to start landing clients with free tools is in there. Link in the description. Now go build it.